How to view your YouTube TV bill. Checking your YouTube TV bill is simple. It can be done through mobile devices, web browsers, or streaming devices. Follow the steps below based on your preferred platform. Number 1. Viewing YouTube TV bill on mobile devices, iOS/Android. Step number 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your iPhone or Android device. Step number 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner. Step number 3. Access settings. Select settings from the drop-down menu. Step number 4, select billing details. Tap on billing and payments to see payment history, upcoming charges, and your billing cycle. Number 2, viewing YouTube TV bill on a web browser. Step number 1, visit the YouTube TV website. Open a web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Step number 2, sign in. Enter your YouTube TV account credentials to log in. Step number 3, access your profile. Click your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Step number 4, open settings. Select settings from the menu. Step number 5, view billing information. Choose billing and payments from the side menu to check payment history, upcoming bills, and subscription details. Number 3, viewing YouTube TV bill on streaming devices. Step number 1, open YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your streaming device. Step number 2, go to account settings. Navigate to the account settings option in the menu. Step number 3, check billing information. Look for billing and payments to view recent transactions, upcoming bills, and your subscription plan details.